Unlock English ESL lessons for everyone. Hi everyone, I'm your friendly ESL teacher. Welcome to the English learning adventure. Let's dive in. So let's begin. I'm excited to learn with you today. Let's get groovy with G. Remember, we've been learning about different sounds letters make. Can you tell me what sound the letter F makes? You're absolutely right. Fa is the sound of the letter F as in fox. Today we're going to learn about the letter G and the hard G sound it makes. The letter G makes the hard G sound like in gate, go, girl. So the hard G sound makes g, g, g. Ready to be a parrot? Say the word after me just like I do. Let's be parrots. Goat, goat, goat. Ghost, ghost, ghost. A scary ghost. Frog, frog, frog. Garden, garden, garden. I want a beautiful garden. Goose, goose, goose. Good job. You were a super parrot. You echoed those words perfectly. Let's keep practicing by chanting together. G for great. Ga, ga, ga. Green grass we see. Ga, ga, ga. For grapes on the tree. Ga, ga, ga. For gifts we receive. Ga, ga, ga. For games we believe. Ga, ga, ga. For giggles and glee. Ga, ga, ga. For you and me. Let's all say hip, hip, hooray for our amazing chanting. Hip, hip, hooray. This time, let's open a book and journey into a story. Get ready for an adventure. What makes gecko giggle? Let's find out in the Giggly Gecko story. Gilbert the gecko was a giggly little creature who loved to giggle. He had a green, bumpy skin and a long, sticky tongue. One day, Gilbert was sunbathing on a giant rock when he saw a group of geese flying overhead. He giggled so hard that he accidentally fell off the rock and landed in a puddle of mud. The geese laughed at him, but Gilbert didn't mind. He just giggled even harder. Now tell me, what makes you giggle? And can you tell me what was the character's name? Now get ready because we are going to learn the story about the gleeful gorilla. Gary the gorilla was a gleeful gorilla who loved to play. He had a big, strong arms and a big, goofy grin. One day, Gary was playing with his friends in the jungle when he saw a group of gorillas getting ready for a big game of tag. He joined in the game and had so much fun. He ran and jumped and laughed until his tummy hurt. So, what makes you gleeful? Maybe it's time to share that feeling with someone special. So, can you tell me what did the character do? You're getting good with words. Now, let's twist our tongues and see how fast and clear we can say this. It's tongue twisters time! Gary's goat got a great big green glow. Let's say it a little bit faster. Gary's goat got a great big green glow. This time, much faster. Gary's goat got a great big green glow. Oh my gosh, let's do it one more time. Let's say it faster. Gary's goat got a great big green glow. The great gray goose goes goggle, goggle, goggle. The great gray goose goes goggle, goggle, goggle. The great gray goose goes goggle, goggle, goggle. I know you nailed those tongue twisters. You are awesome. We've had a great time learning about the letter G. You're all great learners. Keep it up. Our lesson is done and our time is up. Thank you for having me as your teacher. See you. Did you find this lesson helpful? Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more ESL lessons to help you on your language journey.